Your passion goes beyond your work. When it comes to design, versatility, and efficiency, you always want better. You always go beyond. Lenovo presents the ultimate mobile display solution, Lenovo Glasses T1. Amplify your working style with a virtual display while staying aware of everything that's going on around you. Built for productivity. Built for mobility. Built for privacy. With a vibrant and stylish design, get a crystal clear micro OLED virtual display. Experience great sound quality with built-in hi-fi speakers. Its user-friendly features easily adapt to any head size or face type. Work smarter and securely on the go with your own private screen. Usher in a new perspective with Lenovo Glasses T1, your ultimate personal mobile display solution.